made it.
We made it to the top.
We climbed Lion's
Head.
Head, and I wanted to die again.
We scaled Lion's
We
Head.
had to scale the side of a freaking mountain.
It wasn't walking.
Chains.
It was climbing.
Yeah,
like
I
mountain
was very
goats.
scared. Like mountain
There's
goats.
Table Mountain.
This is what we did last time. It was much easier, even though it doesn't look like it. However, the view up here is amazing. And you can see all of Cape Town, all over here. And all of the Atlantic Ocean. I wish it was on the other side right now because it's even more beautiful. But I will show you. This is the rich area of Cape Town, down here. So we were freaking high up and it took like 2 hours to get up here. But definitely worth it. It's very beautiful. Huh, Allison?
Very beautiful. I agree, Jody.
Yes, so we made it. We're very